already got Rachel going to the solo cam.
I'm gonna see if you guys want to come out and talk to me. I just heard whispering. You want to come get the candy?
And right now she's using candy as a trigger object, and trigger objects are objects that spirits are lured to, and that's a good method of trying to communicate with a spirit.
Someone tapping?
What is going on with this?
Light.
Light? Do you like them? Multiple?
No, round table, I heard.
Live on.
Live on.
Do you like when the girls visit you?
Paranormal.
What the dude? Oh my god! I just said paranormal.
That's
Scoot your ass
paranormal.
in here,
I'm gonna
please.
cry. Oh my god.
It's judgment time.
I'm not nervous. We kick ass.
This is all about pride, respect, credibility.
Paranormal expeditions. How well they do as a team.
They had a lot of fun, which is very important as an investigator. And
Fun to watch, you know.
fun to
entertaining.
watch, entertaining. What I did like and what I did notice is that you seemed to know how to use the device. You turned the PX device on and you immediately knew to scroll through all the way to the last page to set the sensitivity on it. Whatever was going on, it seemed to be following you all over the place.
Rachel, do you have audio evidence to show us?
Absolutely.
Okay.
In Nurse Emma's room, I asked her if she minded being referred to as stern. You hear a patient struggling with what sounds like a female nurse, followed by a patient saying, "Don't touch me again."
What the?
Wow.
Yeah. Please play this again.
Were you able to decipher any message it was saying?
Don't you ever do that.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Don't you ever do that.
Yeah, don't you ever do that. That jumps out.
Oh, I just got scared again.
Very nice catch.
Wow.
And the girls knew how to use every piece of equipment and they employed it. Audio evidence, the girls seem to really have a much stronger piece of
By
evidence.
far. That one piece of audio blew me the away.